Sharing a SurveyMonkey survey link for free is straightforward and allows you to reach a broad audience without incurring additional costs. Here's how to do it. Create or open your survey. Log into your SurveyMonkey account and either create a new survey or open an existing one. Go to the Collect Responses section. Once your survey is ready, click on the Collect Responses tab at the top of the survey editor. Choose the web link option. Select Get Web Link as your collection method. This generates a unique URL for your survey. Copy the survey link. Copy the URL provided by SurveyMonkey. This is the link you will share with your respondents. Share the link for free. Email. Paste the link into an email and send it to your contacts. Social media. Share the link on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn or Instagram. Website or blog. Embed the link on your website or blog. Messaging apps. Send a link through apps like WhatsApp, Slack or any other messaging service. Forums or online communities. Post a link in relevant online groups or forums. Track responses. As people click on the link and complete your survey, you can monitor their responses in real time within SurveyMonkey.